The way she came into the place, I knew right then and there. There was something different about this girl. The way she moved, her hair, her face, her lines, divinity in motion. When she started the room, I could feel the aura of her presence. Every head turned, feeling passion and lust. The girl was persuasive, the girl I could not trust. The girl was bad, the girl was dangerous.
You know you want me.
Dangerous. The girl is so dangerous. Take away my money, throw away my time. You can call me honey, but you know damn you're fucking dangerous. The girl is so dangerous. Just for I haven't really got. I know that love is blind. The bad is so, but you don't damn love a friend of mine.
Get the point? Good. Let's dance.